Ngabe siyagipit? Guys, we just bought a new house. Nangu uphuta uxaba imoto. Guys, we are neighbors with the famous influencer. I'm not gonna say the name, but we are neighbors. Like I couldn't believe it, but it is. Guys, this is our new home. Bunjani, guys.
Congratulations to Father Patrick ne-girlfriend yakhe. So lapho ma-comments Miss Anele iyona i-girlfriend ya Father Patrick. Commentile lapha andivideo wathi congratulations to nina bafo. Wakommente waphendula lapha Father Patrick wathi danko lapho bafo. Yazi laba. Guys, wow, what a huge achievement, and they're so young. Athi lona ngicela ukuyiqamba igama sizoyibiza nge-House of Tom. Wow. Congratulations athi Father Patrick, thank you so much. Guys, ukhona wazi ukuthi why ayibiza ngo-Father Patrick? I really wonder. Athi lona bold, wow, cha impela usufana nobaba kimi we-Father Patrick. Guys, abarensi abasho ukuthi no, we are moving to like a different apartment. They bought it. Bayithengile babes. Akusi rent. Wow. Athi lona ngicela ningiqashe ngizonigundela utshani. Cha bafethu zinhle into mzolova la ngaphandle. Ayikhona kufani bandla siyazama. Yeah guys, cha muhle ugele and ume kahle. Yo, she has a nice body. Wakhetha kahle uFather Patrick, muhle umuntu wakhe, bafanelene futhi. Siyanibongela webaba Patrick nomama uPatrick. uNkulunkulu anibusise bakithi. Yes, we wish you guys all the best. So ke umama uPatrick naye uhambile wayoposta laphayana kwelakhe page esinikeza ke i-house tour.
Hi guys, welcome to the house tour of our apartment with my man. We decided to Funukipita, so we bought a house. Anyways, but first let's move out of my old apartment. So here guys, we're moving into our new place, and guys, living in Ibonela, it was literally 31 rands for an hour. But anyways, it is time for me to unpack, and guys, I can't believe I'll be staying with my man. Literally, I can't believe it, guys.
Beautiful. Athi lona enjoy umkipito. Bafethu, angisasaba wela ukipita guys. Kuyadlala. But guys, umkipito is a need. You can't expect us to get married without umkipito. And esikhathi samanje abantu bakipitile and they are happy. Athi lona uzoshada soon wena, I just can't prove it yet. Nami ngiyasola ngathi nje kunomshado ozayo la maduzane. Wow. And bayafanelana shame, bayafanelana, I'm not gonna lie, they look so cute together. Congratulations, angisahali kanjena. Mfethu sonke siyahala kodwa sizothini phela nje. Nathi one day is one day. Congratulations, ngicela ungamithi. What if late baby girl, what if usemithi already? Ngiyadlala guys, you'll never know. Ibona kuphela both abaziyo like about their plans, future plans. We don't know. It's just so yisho. Congratulations on buying your new apartment. We wish you nothing but the best. uNkulunkulu anibusise nje sifisela konke nje okuhle empilweni zenu. See you on my next video guys.